This is the mermaid exercise. The mermaid is a great side oblique and entire core exercise that you can do that actually activates the shoulders, obliques, and your core. So it's just like it sounds. You know, when a mermaid sits just like this with her fins, we're going to do the same thing, but we're gonna work. We're gonna take our hand, put it on the mat, take our knees, and we're gonna bring ourselves up like this. So just kind of get your bearings just to bring yourself up. Now, if you're a beginner, you're gonna go with both knees. If you're a little more advanced, you want your knees together and you're gonna come up like this. So let me show you the low impact. You're just gonna come up, strengthen the shoulder, use your obliques. Intermediate and advanced, you're gonna take your hand, put your knees together, and you're gonna come over, just like that. We're gonna make sure we use our strength to push off our hand. We're gonna use that shoulder. I'm feeling the obliques right now, the entire core. You can always take a weight and include more resistance into this exercise to make it harder. But there you have it. That is the mermaid exercise.